1995 SVT Ford Mustang Cobra convertible. Something fell in the garage. I don't remember if it was shelving or a ladder, and put some pretty nasty dents. The front end of this car had what I call a flow coat. It had a thin coat of clear at one point or another. Something caused it to have paintwork done. I warned the owner because of the age and the clear that I might only be able to do so much, that the paint might fracture. And so I ended up stopping at a safe point on the car and also within the customer's budget as option one. If they wanted to put more time into it, we certainly could. I think this might even been a birthday present for her husband. Um, if you look, there might even be able to notice a couple of little dings that we didn't even touch just because of the customer's budget. And we always give the customer an option of spending more time on it if they want to increase their budget, or if you just can't really do anymore, then we could move on to plan B. The customer was perfectly happy with this. They didn't worry about the other dings and dents and so forth and so on. So overall, I think it was a great job and a great choice not to spend the money to repaint this whole front of the car. Had this done a matter of hours versus a week, possibly to repaint the whole car time you disassembled it, and for a whole lot less. Anyway, if you have something similar or see if paintless dent repair would be a good option for you, feel free to email us or text or give us a call. Take care and have a great day. This is Eddie with the Dent Devils Mobile Paintless Dent Repair.